Compound sentences. Today you're going to learn about compound sentences and how to use them to express complex thoughts in a clear and concise way. Do you ever feel like you have so many thoughts in your head that you don't know where to start? Well, that's where compound sentences come in. They allow you to connect two or more independent clauses, each with its own subject and verb, into one sentence. This means you can express multiple thoughts in a single sentence. Let's look at an example. I love pizza, but I don't like anchovies. In this sentence, we have two independent clauses, I love pizza and I don't like anchovies. These two clauses can stand alone as separate sentences, but by connecting them with a conjunction but, we form a compound sentence. You can use any coordinating conjunction to connect the clauses, such as and, or, yet, for, etc. Each conjunction gives a different meaning to the sentence, so choose carefully. Here are some more examples. I want to go to the park, but I have to study for my exam. I love hiking, and I love camping. I was late for class, yet I managed to get there before the teacher. See how each conjunction gives a different meaning to the sentence. It's important to choose the right conjunction to convey the meaning you want. But wait, there's more. You can also connect clauses with a semicolon, a colon, or even dashes. The choice of punctuation depends on the meaning you want to convey and the tone of your sentence. For example, I love pizza, however, I don't like anchovies. I want to go to the park, I need to get some fresh air. I love hiking, exploring new trails and seeing the beauty of nature. By using compound sentences, you can express complex thoughts in a clear and concise way, without the need for multiple sentences. It's like having multiple thoughts on a plate, but with a clean and organized presentation. So go ahead and start connecting your thoughts with compound sentences.